In this video, I'll show you how to configure a normal VLAN on a switch. Normal VLANs are VLANs 1 through 1005, and extended VLANs are 1006 through 4094. Depending on your iOS, you may or may not be able to configure extended VLANs, however. In this video, we're doing a normal VLAN, so we're in luck. VLAN 200 is what we're going to use to configure on Fast Ethernet 01 and Fast Ethernet 02, and our final test will be to see if PC0 can ping PC1 across VLAN 200. So if we go to our switch, enable, we can do a show VLAN, which shows the VLAN database, and you can see that VLAN 200 does not exist. VLAN 1 exists, and that's what every single interface on our switch is in VLAN 1 at this time. So let's go ahead and configure VLAN 200, and we can do so by going into config T and typing VLAN 200. That will add it to our VLAN database, but I find instead of doing that, an easier way is simply to go into the interface, Fast Ethernet 0/1, and tell it that it's going to be switch port access VLAN 200. And that's going to do two things. It's going to configure Fast Ethernet 01 as a VLAN 200 access port, and it's also going to make the switch recognize that VLAN 200 doesn't yet exist in the database, and it's going to create it for us. So two birds with one stone with that command. Let's exit out of there and go into interface Fast Ethernet 02. We'll run the same command, but it already exists in the database, so it doesn't need to add it this time. We can do a show run. Now we have interface Fast Ethernet 01 and Fast Ethernet 02 both have access VLAN 200 configured on them. And one last time we'll show VLAN, and we can see that VLAN 200 exists in the database, and it's tied to Fast Ethernet 01 and Fast Ethernet 02. So let's go ahead and see if we can ping. Ping 10.2.1.5 from 10.2.1.4, and it's successful. So that's how you add a normal VLAN to a switch.